In previous class, I explained about increase percentage and decrease percentage. I'm recapping that formula. Increase percentage is equal to increase in amount by original amount into 100%. Or we can say final value minus original value by original value into 100. Next, decrease percentage is equal to decrease in amount by original amount into 100%. Or we can say decrease percentage is equal to original value minus final value by original value into 100%. With the help of these four formulas, we are going to solve the question. Note down example first. The price of a lunch box yeah, the price of a lunch box increased from rupees 250 to rupees 280. Find the percentage. Find the percentage. Find the percentage. Now, firstly, students, I want to check. I want to find out increase percentage or decrease percentage. Increase percentage, because the price was lunch box was 250 rupees. Now 250 to 280. Price has increased. If price has increased means I want to apply increase percentage formula. Note down. Solution. Increase percentage is equal to increase percentage is equal to which formula I can apply, student? First or second? Which one you want to write formula? First or second? First only, right? Increase in amount by increase in amount by original amount into 100%. Yeah. Firstly, the price was lunch box was 250. It has increased to 80. Means 280 minus 250 divided by what is original amount? 250 into 100%. Now 280 minus 250, what will become? 30. 30 by 250 into 100%. Now 1010 cancel. 25 on the 25. 25 for the 100. Now 3 4 are 12%. 3 into 4 is equal to 12%. Hence after comma, hence there has been a 12% is increase in the price increase in the price of the lunch box. Increase in the price of lunch box. I hope students you got it, how you have solved this question. Yes, example 2, right. Example 2, this question you will solve, student. The price of a school bag, the price the price of a school bag decreased to decreased to rupees 180 from rupees 200. Find the, now don't ask sir, we want to find out decrease and increase. Already he has mentioned decrease. Okay, find the decrease percentage. Start solving, everyone. The price of a school bag decreased to 180 from 200 rupees. Find the decrease percentage. Start solving, everyone. Now we want to apply decrease percentage formula. Decrease percentage is equal to decrease in amount by original amount into 100. Decrease in amount by original amount into 100%. Right. Now decrease percentage means 200, decrease amount means 200 minus 180. 200 minus 180 divided by, what is original amount here? Who will tell me what is original amount here? Don't confuse, student. What is original amount here? No, 180 is not answer. From 200 it has decreased. 180, 200 is the original amount. Don't confuse. Price was 200 rupees. Shopkeeper has given 20 rupee discount. Means 180 rupees is the final value. Original is the 200 only into 100%. Now 200 minus 180, 20 by 200 into 100% is 0000 cancel, 10%. 20 by 2 is equal to 10%. Right. Student, don't confuse here. Original amount is not 180. Original amount is 200. In 200 they have decreased, reduced. Example 3. Example 3, note down. 120 is 120 is increased by 50%. Find the increased amount. Very easy question. Question I have given, 120 is increased by 50%. Find the increased amount. One formula is there. Increase is equal to increased percentage of original amount. In this, original number is what? 120. Original number is equal to 120. Increase percentage is equal to increase percentage is equal to 50%. He is asking increased amount. Increased amount is equal to increased percentage of original number. Increased amount is equal to increased percentage of original number. Means 50% of 120. 50% means 50 by 100. Of means into 120. 1010 cancel. This 0 cancel. 5 into 12. Don't try 60%. 60. But 120 was there and 60 is coming. This is increased. No. Increased number is equal to, you can apply your brain, students. 120 was there, how 60 can come? 120 plus 60 is equal to 180 is the increased amount. Increased value is equal to whatever original value was there plus increased amount. 120 plus 6 is equal to 180. Hence, increased number is 180. Hence, increased number is 180. Students, always keep in mind, when you are finding increased percentage, we want to do last addition. If we want to find out decreased number, we want to subtract. This two concept keep in mind. When you are finding increased value, then we want to add both. If we want to find decreased value, we want to subtract both value. Got it? Yeah, second question I am taking, student, you will understood. Question number, this is question number 4, I think. Question number 3 completed. Note down question number 4. Example 4. The cost of an article the cost of an article is decreased by 15% if the original amount is if the original cost is rupees 80. Find the decreased cost. Find the decreased cost. Now in this question, firstly he has given decrease percentage. Note down decrease percentage is equal to decrease percentage is equal to 15%. Original cost is equal to rupees 80. Firstly, I want to find out decrease amount, next decreased amount. Note down decrease in cost is equal to decrease in cost is equal to decrease percentage of original amount. 15 percentage of rupees 80. 15 percentage means 15 by 100 into 80. 1010 cancel. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are 3. Oh, sorry, 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Answer is 3 into 4. Rupees 12. Now decreased cost is equal to I told to students, when we are finding increase percentage, we want to add. When we want to find decrease percentage, we want to subtract. What is 80 minus 12? 80 minus 12 is equal to 68 rupees. Hence, decreased cost is 68 rupees. Decreased cost is rupees 68. Now down firstly, everyone. Keep heading word problems on percentage. Word problems on percentage. First example. In a class, in a class 7th, in a class 7th, there are total 40 students. There are total 40 students, out of which 60 percentage are boys. Find the number of boys and number of girls in the class. Find the number of boys and number of girls in the class. Very interesting question, student. Yeah. In the class 7th, there are total 40 students. Total number of students is equal to 40. Total number of students is equal to 40. Next, out of which 60% are boys. Boys percentage he has given. Means firstly, I can find out number of boys. Number of boys is equal to 60% of 40. Note down. Number of boys in the class is equal to number of boys in the class is equal to 60% of 40. Out of 40, 60% are boys. Now 60% of 40 means 60 by 100 into 40. 1010 cancel, 1010 cancel. 6 4 ja 24. If 40 students are there, 24 are boys, then how many girls are there? 40 minus 24, 16. Right. Number of girls is equal to number of girls in the class is equal to 40 minus 24. Answer is 16. Very famous question, student. Like that question, maybe they can ask in the examination also. Hence, there are 24 boys and 16 girls in the class. Hence, hence, there are, hence, there are 24 boys and 16 girls in the class 7th. Now one student is there. He is saying, sir, whatever answer you told, your answer is wrong. How I can believe your answer is wrong? Right or wrong? If we are adding boys and girls, answer will become 40. 24 plus 16 is equal to 40. Our answer is right. You can give proof to person. If any person is asking your answer is wrong, you can say, sir, no, my answer is right. I am giving proof also. Note down, everyone. Yeah. Example 2. A box contains example 2. Note down example 2, everyone. A box contains marbles of three different colors. Three different colors. Student, listen carefully. Color spelling COLOURS. Yeah, COLORS. Both are right. Okay, both are correct. In India, we are using COLOURS. Foreigner, they are using COLORS. Okay, both are right. A box contains marbles of three different colors, out of which 50 are 50 are blue, comma 120 are green, and 80 are red. Find the percentage of blue marble. Find the percentage of find the percentage of blue marbles. Very interesting question. Yeah. First, read the question everyone very carefully. A box contains marbles of three different colors. One box is there. inside box there are three different color marbles are there. First is the blue, green and red. 50 are blue, 120 are green and 80 are red. Firstly, I want to find out total number of marbles. Note down. Total number of marbles is equal to total number of marbles is equal to 50 plus 120 plus 80. 50 plus 20, 120 plus 50, 170, 170 plus 80, 250. 250 marbles are there. Means in the one box, total how many marbles are there? 250 marbles. And question is asking, find the percentage of blue marbles. Very easy. Percentage of blue marbles is equal to percentage of blue marbles is equal to out of 250, how many blue marbles are there? Out of 250, how many blue are there? 50. 50 divided by total marble is 250 into 100. This concept we are learning from previous onwards. Less number by big number into 100 percentage. 50 marbles is the blue marbles divided by 250 marbles into 100. If question is asking, find out the percentage of red marbles, then how to find? 80 by 250 into 100. If question is asking, find the percentage of green marbles, 120 by 250 into 100. Be careful, students. Which question is asking? What is asking? Question is asked, find the percentage of blue marbles. Blue marble is 50. 50 by 250 into 100. Now we want to do simplification. 0, 0 cancel. 5 1 are 5. 5 5 are 25. 100 by 5 is equal to 20%. Hence, 20% blue marbles are there in the box. Hence, 20% blue marbles are there are there in the box. Very interesting question. Next, example 3. Note down example 3. Yeah,